Greetings and welcome to another educational Cobra Clean diesel particulate filter cleaning video. Please do not wait until you need Cobra Clean immediately. Shipping may take days for you to get it. Plan ahead. It's only a matter of time before a diesel motor needs to have its DPF cleaned. What do your DPFs look like? Filters are easy to clean. Totally submerge them in Cobra Clean for 24 hours. Lift and drain the melted black carbon solution from the filter. Now the fun part starts. Rinse out the filter with tap water until all the melted black carbon is gone and the water flushes clean. This may take several minutes. It is recommended to do it at a wash rack to trap the carbon from the filter. A flat hose nozzle is recommended so you do not get wet. Hold the water nozzle flat against the DPF and rinse, one section at a time. Do this until the water runs clear through the filter. A traditional heat cleaning can cost between $350 and $500. A new DPF can set you back as much as $3,000 to over $4,000. Now you can clean your DPFs for approximately $85 without damaging them. Check out the filter difference between before and after. Cobra Clean is amazing. It's a low-cost, simple, easy-to-use opportunity. Question: how many DPFs have you had to replace due to damage caused by heat cleaning? One is too many. Warning: do not use a high-volume pressure washer. A DPF is ceramic and may crack. Once cracked, it will need to be replaced. Let your filters dry before reinstalling them. Some use a wet vac or air hose to remove the excess water in the filter. Once dry, reinstall it and you're back on the road. Big difference before and after. EGR valves come clean like new as well. Please check your gaskets before reinstalling them to be safe. Those interested in reducing diesel regeneration cycles and the carbon particulates a diesel motor emits that clog a diesel particulate filter, there is a proven and guaranteed solution. It's the 21st century. With scientific process of electrolysis, diesel owners can extend DPF maintenance and downtime 40% to over 70% using the EcoFuel system. It's proven and guaranteed inline fuel enhancer that only costs a few $100s. It's proven, it's Better Business Bureau A-rated for over 10 years. Go green, burn clean. Call or go online for more information. Thank you and have a great day.